Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Birmingham Metropolitan College to this milestone event for further education, which is our partnership with Samsung Electronics to deliver both electronics and IT digital qualifications.
We're absolutely delighted that Samsung have chosen us to be their partner to launch this new academy.
We are uniquely placed to establish firm partnerships between government and the best educational college for our sector, the Birmingham Metropolitan, and our service partners here today.
And Samsung is a company with a very wide product portfolio, and that's why we see the Digital Service Academy as a springboard to other product arena qualifications.
Because we believe in continually upskilling the engineers who work with us so that they can always provide the best support for our customers.
This great partnership that has been announced today between this college and between Samsung is right at the centre of taking forward that agenda, cannot be denied.
Obviously, I'd like to thank the Samsung team for all of the efforts and for the Digital Directorate staff for bringing this such fantastic partnership together.